Hello Philippines and hello world, it's me again Janet for another tutorial. Sorry about that. My voice is not really feeling well right now, but I hope you miss it. Okay, so today we're gonna make a short and simple video tutorial. It's actually an update from Canva that you will surely love, okay? What I'm gonna teach you today is on how to upload a PDF file for you to edit in Canva, okay? So first things first, of course, we have to go to the home screen of our Canva and you can click on create a design. And just right below down here, you see the import PDF. Just click on that. Of course, it is in beta right now because it's the new feature from Canva. So anyway, just have to click that, import PDF, and your folders from your laptop or computer will appear, and just select the PDF file that you want to edit, okay? So let me select, I'll be choosing this one, all right? And it will automatically download here, okay? All right, so once the document is downloaded, click that and ta-da! So there is, since this is still on beta, we can go ahead and rate this since they're asking for the feedback. So this is awesome feature. I love it. There. And submit. Hey, okay. Alright, so we're done submitting our feedback and let's go to our document. Okay, this document is already been edited and just need one more edit in here. And yeah, so I have to change this from grade 7. It should be grade 8. Okay, so what we're going to do is to get some elements. So the square element will do. And all we have to do is to adjust the size of the square. Make sure it will fit on this square. Enough to cover the number 7. And of course, change the color to white. Okay. And of course, let's go to text and type number 8. Of course, this is too big, so we have to adjust the size. Let's make it 15. Okay, I think this is better. Okay, so done. Alright, so since this is still on beta, you'll experience that sometimes when you upload a PDF file, it will not look like exactly as the original PDF file that you want or that you have downloaded. So if that's the case, what you can do is just to go a little adjustment, like, some of these lines maybe are not being aligned. Some letters are misaligned. So yeah, a little bit of adjustment will do to make your PDF exactly as the same as you downloaded. Okay, so Canva is really helpful and very easy to use, so you'll not be having a problem to that. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can download it by using this arrow or these 3 dots here and click on download, and you can save this as PDF standard as well. Okay, so click on download and there you go. So let's open the file and let's check. All right, so we're done here. That is how easy it is to edit a file or to upload a PDF file in Canva. Again, still this is on beta, not that perfect, but hopefully or this feature will be very useful to us. Like right now, I'm using it already. Okay? So if you have questions, feel free to comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. And if you also have suggestions as well, I'm open for suggestions for my next video tutorial.
What?
Oh no.
Okay, so I'm open for suggestions for the next video tutorials that you want me to create. And thank you guys for still supporting me and my channel. Hopefully, for those who are not subscribed yet, do click on subscribe. So again, don't forget to please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel so YouTube will notice that our channel is a very useful one. Okay? And click the notification bell so that you will also be notified when I have a new video uploaded. Alright, so see you guys next week for another tutorial. And hopefully you learned something new today. And yep, God bless you guys and baboosh!